Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, and this is my market recap of gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community. Link is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description of the video. If you would like to check out my membership program, then do so at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all the benefits listed down here below and more. So, anyways, gold did make a pretty nice push up today. Now, I was saying this morning that I thought there was a good chance that gold would push up today. Initially, at the CPI, it did go down pretty strong. Guarantee it probably trapped a lot of sellers. I've been recommending only looking for longs right now because the trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames. This morning, I drew out a pattern that looked pretty much exactly like this. Now, I think more likely than not, what is going to happen now is it's probably going to go back down to the 61 or the 78%, making like an ABC correction before it continues the uptrend. I am not going to be taking the short, but I will be taking a long opportunity if it presents itself. The reason why I won't be going short is because even though it looks like it should do this, the trend is up on all the higher time frames. There is definitely a chance that it just keeps on going up from here and that it does not go down and make a more proper looking ABC correction. So don't assume that it's going to go down when you're in an uptrend on every single higher time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free trading community on Discord. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.